Hey guys, welcome back to that cooking video. So the vinegar to wash off the pork, you know, so some pot roast pork, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. You know, say Father's Day cooking the peeps. The recipe I got nice, eatable. You know, it's a pork shoulder peeps, right? Yeah, so you don't know, say Father's Day cooking. Yeah man, see pelico there, and that you are gonna take spice up the pork peeps. Yeah, so the pork wash and ready with vinegar water and thing and clean up and thing peeps. You know, you're gonna season up it. Add some garlic, pepper, onion, scallion, thyme. Nice little peeps. Ginger. As you put the pelico upon it and thing, then piece of flavor it. Different flavor and thing. So remember to like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Sir. Recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable. Guys, so I start adding some seasoning to my pork and thing, my peeps. Yes, and I season with pork and things, so you don't know. You have to rub it in the season. So you season it up overnight and put it in the fridge. So you season it up on Saturday night and put it in the fridge. It's Sunday morning, because you know Sunday is Father's Day. So you know lumberjack have prepare your meat well, prepare, wash and clean. Presentation. It's a recipe I got eatable, delicious, tasteable. So I rub it in the season of peeps. Here I push it pork in the season night and I'll part of the season. I push down the season of peeps here for well season up and season soak right through. Yes my peeps, so I add some more seasoning because I don't know. I want it tasteable, I want it flavorful, when I want it fresh, I don't want it salt, just want it in between to preview of the peeps. Yes, I'm going to cover it up now. So now I'm put it in the fridge. Yes my peeps, put it in the fridge now. You can stay till tomorrow. I know say tomorrow Sunday, a Father's Day. So I go and stay in the fridge overnight. Yes my peeps, go and marinate. Yes. So I have some more spice, some ginger, garlic, pepper, scallion, onion. I blend it up. And I put some more pelico in it, my peeps. Yes, my peeps, you don't know that type of flavor for it. And I go blend this now. So you have some green season, blend up same way. The recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable, flavorful, delicious. Starting by blending the season, my peeps. Yeah, the season blending thing now. Yes, my peeps. So I'm going to take out the meat from the refrigerator and put some brown into it, liquid browning. So now I'll add some of the green blend season to it. So now that spiced again peeps, I'm gonna rub it in again. Yes my peeps, is presentation there, eatable, tasteable. Please remember to like and share. It's a recipe I got taste good. I can't tell you no peeps. I'm gonna turn it. Just a similar alone it I give me now. Right now my mouth and nose they run water. It just smell nice. Delicious. Yes my peeps, I'm gonna rub it in, you don't know. I'm on me I use peeps, I really want no gloves. So I don't wanna go bash me and done me. No, I'm on me I use. You see, next, you can use the gloves, but I don't want the gloves. I saw me see my grandfather and my grandmother rubbing it with the hand, massage it, yeah. So you don't know, say lumberjack can massage the pork and thing, yes. Peeps, me I set it down and thing, yes. So I go and stay this right now, because you don't know, say, we catch up the fire now. Yeah, because you don't know, say, gas done. See, cold pot I catch there. Outside, Father's Day cooking, so we put on the pot to go and hot there. So you have some mixed vegetable rice, they will spice up, see another preview upon the pork, my peeps. Yeah, another preview there, see it there. So you know, so the pot hot and thing now. So watch how I go on, my peeps. See pot the hot and thing outside there. You don't know, say another pretty boy thing. Yeah, outside. So I'm going to add the pork to it now. Yeah, my peeps. So you don't know, say the cooking a turn up and thing. See the preview there. Yeah, my peeps. See seasoning cut up and left back and thing there. I don't know, but show you step by step, so please look and learn. Yeah, because I don't know, say a teacher, I teach, you know. Yes, my peeps, so we gotta turn the pork and thing, you know. I gotta turn the flip over, make the next side get brown like the other side, see me, because I know, say a pot work for. So you have to make the two sides and get brown up to do the thing you want to do. So you can start the process from this after, yeah. Now preview the presentation of the pot, if you like it, but now you go on, yeah. So I add some spice to it, my peeps, so you don't know, say the pork have to cooking up peeps, because tough pork cannot name. You have to sprinkle the water in the pot to make the pork one steam. Yeah, because I don't know, say no oven. You see it outside. I remember say the gas done. Remember no peeps, the gas done. Don't wash me see mixed vegetable rice there. You know, on the rice and peas there are some nice normal mixed vegetable rice. Yes my peeps. Now that preview upon the pork they update there. Yes my peeps, so you know I'm gonna turn the pork and thing. Now that preview again there, presentation of the pot and thing my peeps. Remember say Father's Day cooking. Alright my peeps. Yeah guys, see another update and some turn it over and thing. So you can see skin part. So you don't know, you have to make it go on pot roast till it gets soft. Cause tough pork cannot yam. Remember it them pop out of your head. You add some more of the blend season to flavor it. So the recipe I go nice, man. Tastable, big green season peeps I cook my pot and thing. Yeah. So you know say outside of the Father's Day, yeah, no joke. You don't discriminate my pot. Cause my pot nice. But one day, I cook, make everybody can eat. So we make you know what time is it. Right? Yeah. I know so no one taste the recipe and thinking of peeps. Another update on the pork again there. Some tip become more water night and thing peeps. Another update again there on the pork. Yes, my peeps. Pork a simmer down there, lumberjack a go on themselves and thing. And see rice they ready and thing my peeps. And also dinner soon ready, so we have some breakfast right there. So some turmeric and garlic and some franks and egg. Another update again there. Yes, peeps, no matter what is surrounding, you know. It's a whole washing machine, a cooking pan and thing. So I say thing when you know a cold pot, so it have a black up and thing, right? But I don't know, say, you cook on the cold, you get the nice taste in the food eat better. Gas stove are foolish now, piece, but you don't know too fast going. Everybody work with the gas stove and thing. At the end of the day, a cold stove and wood fire, they really cooking. You see pork get soft and things, them peeps, so eat 10 more minutes now to get how I want it. Yeah, another preview, them peeps, yeah. But a simmer down the peeps. You know it thing go. Father's Day dinner go nice, man. Eatable, right? I'm pot roast pork soon ready, peeps. Couple more minutes night, you know. So you don't know, so you think they sit there. Yeah. Go on myself, I throw the grip on the pork, see skin well brown and pretty. Presentation, eatable, delicious, right? Don't mouth that they run water, my peeps. Half of the pork I want to eat one time, and I don't tell no lie. See all them could hear now, see there? When I burn them off, you know, come on, them hear them, I go eat off everything off of that peeps, them pork there. That pork there. I don't even know, I don't even know. I tell them they are hungry, I tell no people, yo, I'm hungry, so tell. It's a recipe, yo, John No Star. Another preview on the pork, update again on the pork and thing the peeps. You know, the recipe is soon ready. Please, remember to like and share. 7 times rise, 7 times fall. I don't believe in the falling thing. Big up the sexy body girl, big up the true warrior, and big up Father God first and everything the peeps. Please, remember to like and share and subscribe, peeps. It's a recipe as it there. Soft and thing, presentation, pork look eatable, delicious, finger licking, mouth around water, my peeps. If I can run through it, you know, some pot roast pork ready and on my peeps and thing. So I got add a little more ketchup to flavor it and thing my pieces. So when I say, yeah, natural and simple. We don't put no barbecue sauce and no soya sauce and this and that. Just normal ketchup. Yeah, my peeps, you know, so the recipe is half eatable, tasteable, presentation. Well, see the pork along the pan, finishing product peeps, you know, so that pork about 5 more minutes to done and thing. And you don't know, so right now, can't wait for the recipe. Father's Day, I'm going to tell yo peeps that you never know, right? I'm going to tell you, I'm going to take wash out people, okay? Half I put on plate one time to eat. Right, they are hungry. Yo, I don't never know peeps. I'm hungry, so tell. See the pork again, them peeps, you know, so the pork well cooked and ready, and ready, the pot roast pork ready. Peeps, I don't do it full no way now, I do it my way, I do it the old time way, right? So I'm put it in the oven and do it the new time way, but at the old time way, because my gas done right now. See my pork presentation already there. You can't tell me there's no oven my pork baking. So I say, so you know, so my recipe ready and now. Pot roast pork, see presentation there, fried plantains, mixed with the rice, see pork there, gravy. Remember to like and share, right? Some of they are hungry peeps that you even know. Recipe is similarly good, tasteable, eatable, finger licking, delicious. Please remember to like and share.